Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Gastonia, or near High Shoals, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Dallas, Stanley, Cramerton, Lowell, Willa, Hastings, and Matadinville. For your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, please report damage.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth FM mode.
Cars look like anything?
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following North Carolina, Alexander, Avery, Welcome, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Beatty, Johnson, Israel, Arnell, Lincoln, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Warren, Swain, Watauga, Wilkes, and Henry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the